you still confused about GA4? Or worried you're not using it the right way in 2026? Today, I'll explain the latest GA4 updates news, new features, and important changes you must know to track your website and marketing performance correctly. Whether you're a beginner, marketer, or website owner, this video will help you understand GA4 in very simple language. What is GA4 and why it matters? GA4, or Google Analytics 4, is Google's latest analytics tool. It replaces Universal Analytics and works very differently. GA4 tracks users using events, not just page views. This means Google now focuses on what users actually do, not just which page they visit. Why does GA4 matter in 2026? Because privacy rules are getting stricter, cookies are disappearing, and GA4 is built for the future of analytics. If you ignore GA4 updates, you risk making wrong marketing decisions. Now, let's talk about the latest GA4 updates news in 2026. Analytics Advisor, AI feature. GA4 now has an AI-powered Analytics Advisor. It automatically analyzes your data and gives smart suggestions to improve tracking. Perfect for beginners who don't understand complex reports. Enhanced benchmarking. GA4 now lets you compare your performance with industry averages. You can compare metrics like engagement rate, revenue, and conversions. Cost data import, big update. You can now import ad cost data from Meta ads and TikTok ads directly into GA4. This makes it much easier to see which platform gives the best ROI. AI explanations in reports. If your traffic suddenly increases or drops, GA4 now explains why in simple language. No more guessing. How to migrate from Universal Analytics to GA4. If you're still using Universal Analytics, you must move to GA4. Create a GA4 property. Use the Setup Assistant. Update your tracking code. Configure events manually. Test everything using debug mode.
Important tip.
Don't rush. GA4 does not import all old data, so keep backups. GA4 features and tips for marketers. Here are some powerful GA4 features marketers love. Enhanced measurement. Track scrolls, clicks, downloads automatically. Funnel exploration. See where users drop off. Predictive audiences. Target users likely to buy or leave. Cross-device tracking. Mobile plus desktop together. BigQuery integration. Advanced analysis. Common GA4 mistakes. Many people make these mistakes in GA4. Not setting up custom events. Comparing GA4 directly with Universal Analytics. Ignoring data retention settings. Forgetting consent mode. Not filtering internal traffic. Avoid these, and your reports will be much more accurate. Conclusion. GA4 updates news in 2026 brings smarter AI, better tracking, and future-proof analytics. If you want to grow online, learning GA4 is no longer optional.
If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more.